Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2021 Ford F-250 Lariat. This one's finished in lithium gray and is an absolutely gorgeous spec. There's the window sticker. We'll go into depth with that once I hop inside. Absolutely beautiful spec on this truck. This one features the 6.2 liter V8. Other options include the Power Stroke and the 7.3 Godzilla motor. Wow. All right. Total price as equipped, $65,165. This one has the 6-speed automatic, power moonroof, Lariat Ultimate. Nice. Total options equal $10,740. Lithium gray over black. Child. I absolutely love the interiors on these. Just really, really nice. And this isn't even fully loaded either. This is the Lariat, of course. So, plenty of levels to go above this. In terms of drivability, it's a big truck. There's no getting away from that. I'm gonna say that flat out. It's a big truck. So driving around here in Quincy, right outside of Boston, it's it's like a bull in a china shop. Not as bad as the F-650 dump truck. That was scary. Steering has a good amount of heft to it. And all in all, it's just nice to drive, comfortable. Have the ventilated seats on now that it's getting warmer out. It's just nice. Although this is gonna probably be going up near the winter time, so right now it's 84 out, so it's pretty warm. I get comments because right now in July, videos filmed in February are going live, so I get comments like, where on earth is it snowing in July? Nope, it's just called a video backlog. You know, she's painting a picture. I'm very much looking forward to seeing through the day how it comes out. Boop. Plenty of power from that 6.2. Over the bumps, not too bad at all. Obviously this is a Super Duty, so it's gonna have heavy duty suspension. So over these bumpy sections, take that into account that this is designed to be heavily loaded. Although, I've driven worse over that. And I've driven that stuff in a Mustang GT. Now that was uncomfortable. Sorry, water pressure. I think we have a new Pathfinder. Do we? Yeah, oh yeah. New 22 Pathfinder. Looks pretty good. Oh, I love trucks. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.